Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for DTC P0720, which indicates an output shaft, countershaft, speed sensor circuit malfunction in the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The output shaft speed sensor is crucial for monitoring the rotational speed of the transmission's output shaft. This data is relayed to the powertrain control module, PCM, to optimize engine performance and transmission shifting. When this circuit malfunctions, it leads to improper engine behavior and may even trigger the check engine light. Understanding the role of the output shaft speed sensor is essential for effectively diagnosing and repairing the issue. This guide will provide detailed steps to help you navigate the troubleshooting process efficiently. The output shaft speed sensor is located on the transmission housing and functions to determine the vehicle's speed. This component is responsible for sending real-time data regarding the rotational speed of the output shaft to the powertrain control module, or PCM, which makes decisions based on this information for effective engine and transmission management. If the sensor fails or the circuit has faults, it can lead to erratic gear shifts, reduced performance, and trigger the DTC P0720 error code. Therefore, ensuring that this sensor operates correctly and reliably is critical for maintaining the vehicle's smooth operation. Given the sensor's placement, accessing it might require removing covers or components from the transmission area. Several factors can lead to a malfunction indicated by the DTC P0720. Firstly, poor connections at either the output shaft speed sensor or the PCM may create an unreliable signal, causing the circuit to fail. Another potential cause is an open circuit, which can occur in the wires leading to either the VCC1 line or the SG1 line, disrupting the flow of necessary voltage or signals. Additionally, a short to ground might be present, which can create a false reading by sending an unintended voltage level to the PCM. Each of these causes must be investigated to ensure the vehicle functions optimally. Identifying the correct reason behind the error is key to performing the right repairs. When DTC P0720 is triggered, several symptoms can manifest in the vehicle's operation. One of the primary signs is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, indicating that there is an issue that needs addressing. Drivers may also experience erratic shifting from the transmission, where the gears may change unexpectedly or roughly, leading to a less than smooth driving experience. Furthermore, the overall performance of the vehicle can be compromised with potential engine stalling or hesitation during acceleration. These symptoms highlight the importance of addressing any diagnosed issues with the output shaft speed sensor and ensuring it functions correctly for optimal vehicle performance. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0720 involves a series of verification tasks to understand the current condition of the output shaft speed sensor. First, start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load, preferably in neutral, until you notice the radiator fan engaging. This simulates a typical driving condition while allowing you to evaluate the sensor's response. After this, allow the engine to idle and perform a test drive for several minutes. After driving, use the Honda Diagnostic System, commonly referred to as HDS, to check if any vehicle speed is indicated. If the system shows speed data correctly, you might be dealing with an intermittent failure and need to further check the sensor connections. If no speed is indicated, proceed to the next step in the troubleshooting process. Step 2 involves diagnosing the voltage supply lines associated with the output shaft speed sensor. To begin, make sure to turn the vehicle off and then proceed to disconnect the output shaft speed sensor's 3P connector. With this connector removed, switch the vehicle to the on mode to ensure that the electronics are active, but the engine is not running. Utilize a multimeter to measure the voltage between specified test points. Test point 1 is the first female terminal of the disconnected sensor's connector, while test point 2 is the third female terminal. If you obtain approximately 5.0 volts, it indicates the power supply to the sensor is functioning correctly, and you should proceed to step 4. If 5.0 volts is not present, move to step 3 to investigate further. In this third step of troubleshooting DTC P0720, you will check for an open wire within the VCC1 line. Keeping the vehicle in the on mode with the output shaft speed sensor connector still disconnected, measure the voltage again between the same test points as before. This time, however, test point 1 will be the third terminal of the sensor's connector, while test point 2 will be connected to body ground. If you read around 5.0 volts, it indicates that the VCC1 wire is okay, which means you can proceed to step 4. However, if the voltage does not reach the expected level, it suggests an open circuit in the VCC1 wire itself, requiring you to repair the wire leading from the PCM at the E70 connector to the output shaft speed sensor. Step 4 requires further scrutiny of the output shaft speed sensor itself, particularly focusing on the signal line. With the vehicle still in the on mode and the 3P connector to the sensor disconnected, you will measure voltage between the second female terminal of this connector and body ground. If you read approximately 5.0 volts in this instance, it indicates the sensor is sending a signal properly, and you should replace the output shaft speed sensor. If you don't receive the expected voltage, it suggests that the sensor might not be functioning correctly or that there are issues within that line. In such cases, you would need to continue troubleshooting to identify further possible failures. Moving on to step 5, you will check for any shorted wires within the NC line. First, ensure the vehicle is in the off mode and perform a short circuit test using the HDS by jumping the SCS line. Allow this test to run for more than 1 minute before disconnecting the PCM connector E80P. After disconnecting, you need to check for continuity between test points. Test point 1 should be on terminal number 66 of the PCM connector E, while test point 2 connects to body ground. If continuity is detected, this indicates a short in the NC wire leading from the PCM E66 to the output shaft speed sensor. If there is no continuity, you will want to proceed to step 6. The sixth and final troubleshooting step for DTC P0720 continues investigating the continuity within the NC line. Ensure the vehicle is still in the off mode with the output shaft speed sensor 3P connector disconnected and the PCM connector also disconnected. Check continuity between the second terminal of the output shaft speed sensor connector and terminal number 66 of the PCM connector E. If continuity is found, it indicates your NC wire is intact and functioning properly. However, if there is no continuity present, you will need to repair any open lines in the NC wire that exists between the PCM E66 and the output shaft speed sensor. Each of these checks plays a pivotal role in identifying the root of the issue effectively. After completing all the necessary repairs, it's crucial to verify that the DTC P0720 has been resolved fully. Begin this process by clearing all diagnostic trouble codes from the vehicle's system. This ensures that any previous errors will not affect your current testing. Following the clear, take the vehicle for a comprehensive test drive under varied conditions to ensure that it performs well and responds correctly to engine and transmission demands. During this test drive, monitor the vehicle's performance closely. Afterward, check if the DTC returns. If it does not, you've successfully resolved the issue. Verification is key to ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Preventive maintenance is crucial in keeping systems within your Honda Accord functioning effectively, especially concerning the output shaft speed sensor. Regularly inspect electrical connections at the output shaft speed sensor and the PCM. Look for any signs of corrosion, dirt, or wear that could lead to failure. Additionally, routinely check the wiring harness for any wear, fraying, or damage due to heat or abrasion that could interrupt the signal pathway. It's also advisable to use quality replacement parts when addressing issues to ensure they meet factory specifications. Keeping up with these simple maintenance tasks can help avoid future DTC errors and enhance vehicle longevity. In conclusion, understanding the role of the output shaft speed sensor and following the specified troubleshooting steps are critical for successfully resolving DTC P0720 in the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The issues can often stem from poor connections, open circuits, or short circuits within the wiring. And each step offers a structured approach to diagnosing the problem accurately. By methodically working through the diagnostics, you can pinpoint the fault and take corrective action effectively. Incorporating preventive maintenance strategies will enhance the vehicle's reliability and performance over time. Ensuring effective repairs and maintaining high-quality standards will ultimately lead to a smoother and more enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.